Do you want to browse the internet on your iPhone without leaving any history behind? Then what we're going to do is to enable private browsing in our Safari browser. So let's open the Safari web browser on our iPhone. And then what you're going to do from here is to tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner. Open the All Tabs view, and then you're going to get to this section in Safari. In order to activate the incognito browsing mode, or private browsing, simply tap on the Private button at the bottom left, and then tap on the plus button. You're going to get this message that you're in the private browsing once it's activated. But if you're having issues with enabling this feature, then exit this and open the settings on your iPhone. After that, locate this Screen Time option and tap on it. The next thing is to tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Scroll down until you see the Web Content option, and then simply set this to Unrestricted. After this step, go back to Safari and try to activate private browsing like I showed you at the beginning of this video.